night.
Well, it's the next morning. And
Yep.
Greg and I went to Sutherlands.
Got a full truck of wood.
Oh, yeah. Figured out what we needed.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Greg figured it out mathematically.
You guys are going to get started on the well.
Yep. We're going to go ahead and finish up the foundation part of what we started with the previous day and drill some more holes and put the other two sides on and bolt it down. Make sure that it has a secure foundation when we start putting the frame up.
Yep, everything's coming together. Looks like you're getting started on the side walls.
Yeah, we measured the walls, so we're going to head and make one at a time. So we got our first wall all nailed together, so we're just going to set it up, nail it down, make sure it's level.
Yep.
And I'm happy with first wall up. Well, it's time to put the second wall up. And it goes pretty fast once you know the dimensions and how far apart you're going to put it. And we're going to also put some doors on there so we have some access points to get in there.
Now, installing the walls, are you nailing them down, or did you guys? You didn't put bolts up for those to fit in.
We bolted down the first part of it.
Oh, okay.
And then those get nailed to it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. And there's a couple of bolts, as you can see in the middle.
Yeah.
Bolts do come up. We put washers on them and nuts and then tighten them down.
Okay.
Make sure, because we're kind of close to the coast, we want to make sure that strong wind's not going to huff and puff and blow our little house down.
No. All right, time for the next wall.
Yep. Coming together pretty quick.
Yeah, this is the fun part.
It always goes pretty fast after this.
Mm-hmm.
Until you start putting the siding on, and then you really got to measure what you're going to do.
Yep.
So just nailing it together and getting ready to put the top header part on.
Oh, yeah, because you're making it into, what do you call it, a lean-to?
It's going to be a slant.
A slant?
Yeah, it's going to be a slanted roof.
Oh, okay.
So the water runs back down off of the back of it.
Won't have any puddles that we need to worry about.
No, but we decided once we started doing this,
yeah,
we said, you know what? We need to make this removable.
Oh, yeah.
So if we ever have issues with the in-ground pump, we'll be able to pull the top off, and they can pull the pump out of the casing.
Well, that's smart.
And be able to replace it.
Yeah, so this way you don't have to worry about the whole structure. You just take off the top.
Right, just take off the top.
Okay.
So we figured out how we wanted to do that and how we, put the top on the framing and screw it on, and decided exactly where we're going to have some braces so we can pull it off and where it's going to detach from.
Okay.
And we also decided to put some eyelets, 2 on each side of the roof, that we can put chain around, and then they can just pull it up with their crane before they pull the pump out of the casing.
Yeah.
So it's just kind of thinking ahead. If we have some pump issues down the road, we'll be able to take the top off without completely disassembling it.
Yep.
So we put the T111 siding up. Now we're working on the roof.
Yep, and you didn't see, but me and Shelly painted them, which made it a lot easier.
Oh, painting the panels before we put them up are a lot easier.
Yeah.
Yep, so we're cutting our roof panels to size so we can start putting that up there and start screwing it down.
Everything's going to match the house.
Oh, yeah.
It's looking great.
Yeah. I like the metal roof panels a lot better than having asphalt shingles.
Yeah.
They don't fly all over the place. These metal roof panels, because they're galvanized, they're going to last a long time.
And it's going to match everything that we've done.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Longevity, you don't have to get back up there and replace them every 10, 15 years, or if the wind blows some away or whatnot.
Yep. It looks like you're closing in the top now.
Yep, closing in the top. Just measuring the T111 so we can cut it in an angle. Nail it up there, slide it in, whatever we need to do to get that sucker in there, make it look nice. Okay, so now we're just finishing up the south end of the building.
Yep.
And there it is. Looks beautiful. Okay, now we're on the inside. We're just going to put up some 2x4 braces in there, secure a little bit more, and that's it.
Yep, it's looking great inside. You can see where it comes apart if you ever need to take it apart.
Easy.
All right, it's time for trim.
Yep. You guys are pre-painting the trim, which makes it a lot easier.
Yep.
To put up. So we just measure, you guys paint it, and we just nail it in. Makes it go a lot faster, like an assembly line.
Yeah, we had everything set up. Made it so much easier with the sawhorses. We had like 4 sawhorses out there.
Oh yeah.
Where we had like painting and cutting.
Oh yeah, we were busy.
Yeah.
We just wanted to get it done because we had a lot we needed to do.
Yep, we're all taking a break.
That's the crew.
Yeah.
That's a tired crew.
Time for the door.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like you guys are measuring it and you got the first door installed.
Yep, put the hinges on.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's nice. You got to have an access.
We have, what, 3 doors that we put in?
Yep, 3 doors.
Yeah. Back to the roof.
Yep.
You guys are putting up some trim?
Yeah, putting up the trim on the sides.
Uh-huh.
Where the water flows on the side so it doesn't hit the wood, rot the wood out.
Oh, yeah.
Put some flashing on both sides all the way around.
Yep, you're on this side now.
Yeah.
Getting that done, measuring it so you can cut it.
Yeah, we didn't put it on the back, but we first decided to put it on the sides.
Yeah.
So we went ahead and measured that. And then after we put it on the side, we said, you know what? We just need to go ahead and put it on the front.
Yep.
That way the front's protected.
And that's what you're doing here, getting it all figured out.
Yeah.
And it's really going to come together.
Oh yeah, we'll put it up there and screw it in. It'll be really nice.
All right, we're at the end of the video, getting the last door put up. We appreciate you guys watching.
Yep.
Leave us a comment.
Yep.
Let us know what you think.
Yep. Hope you enjoyed the video.
See you on the next one.